Did Aaron Pauli just tweet me? Is this real life?
Glad you're happy about it. He hates your husband.
He's from one of my fave bands that I've seen play 3 times, so.
Cool, go marry him, bye.
I can't be happy that someone from a band I like tweeted me. What?
If someone doesn't like you, I don't like them. Clearly not the same for you. You are welcome to leave, bye.
First off, I didn't even know he blocked you. Second off, how does me liking someone's music affect literally anything?
You know now and you still do nothing. You also said he's from one of my fave bands that I've seen play 3 times, so nice support.
I don't see how me liking a band's music affects our relationship whatsoever. You don't like Ronnie Radke and I listen to his music?
I wouldn't talk to someone who didn't like you. You're fangirling over someone who doesn't like me. It's a slap in the face.
I didn't know he blocked you until you tweeted me.
Shrugs. We are clearly different. I would have had your back no matter what. You argue instead of stand by me like I would you.
I'm allowed to like someone's music. It doesn't mean I don't support you.
No debate over music here. Just a person that doesn't like me tweeting you and you fondly reacting to it. No loyalty.
This has zero to do with loyalty. I don't get notifications every time someone blocks you.
1. Someone blocks you, I tell them to fuck off. 2. Someone blocks me, you argue with me about it over countless tweets. Loyalty.
I listen to their music. That has nothing to do with loyalty. I'm not secretly talking them behind your back or something.
Get out while you can, sis.